Can you suggest a case or scenario of email marketing where a company would benefit from email marketing strategies? There's no scenario.
Yeah.
There's no scenario.
Our email pro back there, he's saying all of them.
Jesus is laughing about it. But by the way, I'm not making fun of Jesus. We actually have a copywriter, a genius here. His name is Jesus, all right? For anybody that feels like I'm insulting or something, it happens. It's inevitable, all right? Can you point the camera over there? Turn it around. That's Jesus right there, all right? That's Jesus, all right? He's our lead copywriter, a genius over here at AGM Marketing, all right? You gotta have a list. You gotta have email marketing. If you don't have a list, if you have a list, but you don't do any communications to that list, it's worthless, right? So there's a saying that goes like this: the money's in the list, but more than that, the money is in what you do with your list. So doing email marketing, SMS marketing is absolutely an essential part to the success of any brand out there. Yeah. There is no scenario in which a brand will not succeed with email marketing. If you generate leads of qualified prospects, you should be able to nurture them and get them down a journey in which they feel they trust you more to be able to buy your products and services.
Yeah. Then if you want to go ninja, as we like to say here, you want to start segmenting your list. So splitting them up and talking to them individually, depending on if you sell different products or different services, right? If going back to our chiropractor example, let's just say, maybe you want to talk to people that have neck pain different than if they have knee pain. You know, so you start to segment them and communicate with them differently. And also email is eventually, inevitably is going to be cheaper than doing paid ads. So that's another big reason that you should always be doing email lists, and you get to control it. Your email list is your email list. You can always download it, keep it off there on your computer, desktop, or whatever. And if you need to switch to a different platform, then you can move it over there, and nobody can ever take that away from you. So build your list.
That's right. Go ahead and build your list.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
And leave us your comments down below so that we can get to them on the next episode.